internet is a bit slow, but definitely it works because you save time thinking about right to write. You save time drafting. You can rewrite, rephrase the entire conversation, right? And it has a very high conversion rate, basing on what people's responses are online. So this for me is like magic. So in a month, if you have a premium account like this, you surely, and you have a premium account, you have an email automation that sends out bulk emails. You have an automation that responds to emails. You're sorted. You don't need to worry about writing emails again, unless you want something that's very original and you want to write from the heart.
Do you limit how long it should write?
No.
It can write for
It can write based on what you've tasking. Now I think the trial version writes short. The premium version, in the event, let's say writing a newsletter, right? Writes longer. Now you see, for example, it's writing a longer email. No, this is a trial actually. I've tricked the system to think I've paid for it.
How much does it cost?
I think it's about $29 or less a month. So the best thing to have is an